I'm gonna teach you how to order from a Subway. First, you're gonna need a couple of things. You're gonna need a credit card. You're gonna need to be in front of a Subway. And third, you're gonna have to understand how a door works. And most importantly, you're gonna have to go inside.
Hi, what can I get started for you?
I'm gonna get a $5 footlong spicy Italian on Italian herbs and cheese bread. Italian herbs and cheese is the way to go. It gets the most flavor for your money.
What kind of cheese did you want on your spicy Italian?
What are my options?
American, Swiss, and provolone, mozzarella cheddar.
American.
Would you like it toasted?
Yes, I would love it toasted. You can choose at a Subway if you're gonna toast your sandwich or if you're gonna have it cold. Some people think it's too much like Quiznos if you get it toasted, but I don't. I think it's delicious. There's a wide array of toppings at a Subway. You can get lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, red onions, more variety, pickles, olives, jalapenos, and banana peppers. All right, it just came out of the microwave and we're ready to go.
What kind of your vegetables?
Could I actually get everything? They cut it in half so you can share if you want to. Sometimes I give mine to Robin.
Would you like to make it a combo?
Sure, I'll go for the combo.
Would you like to upsize your drink? Or just regular size?
I'll go for large. Large and in charge. Suicide. Oh yeah. Delicious. Now let's pick our chips. Baked Lay's. $5 foot long. $5 foot long.